Stay strapped. Greetings and salutations, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl theonesaraho. Today I'm going to be giving y'all this review from ReadyWig. Y'all see the box is a little torn up. I got it sprayed with Lysol, prepared, but everything is inside and everything is good to go. It came with a It came with a free wig cap, a hair care card, as well as where y'all can find them on their social media page, and some other tips and tricks to take care of your wig. And they also gave this cute little free spray bottle in the box. So taking the wig outside of the box, I'm going ahead and taking it out of the hairnet, and I'm running my fingers through it. It was extremely soft, as y'all can see from that big ass smile on my face. I was hyped. I'm just running my fingers through it a couple times to show you guys if there's any shedding. As y'all can see, there was no shedding the first couple of times I ran my hand through it, and then when I went ahead towards the end and kind of, you know, swoop and collected all the hair and ran my hand down, there was a couple of strands, but really nothing too big. There wasn't really a lot of tangling straight out of the box, so I was hyped about that. So just showing y'all the construction of the wig, there's a clip on the right and the left side of the lace, as well as a clip in the back and an adjustable strap, and there's also a clip in the middle. Does anyone really know what that clip in the middle does? No, I don't ever be using it, but it's there. And there is a pre-plugged middle part and some baby hairs as well. So going ahead and putting this on, this is what it looks like with no manipulation. Just going ahead and getting it together, zoom in so y'all can see everything. This is what the hairline is looking like. This is what the baby hairs are looking like. If you want to, you could honestly you know, put some gel on and do the baby hairs yourself, or cut them a little bit and just do it as is. But for me personally, I do like to customize all my wigs, even the synthetic ones, a little bit so that it fits me. So I will be going off screen to pluck and style this, and just showing y'all how long it comes to me on. I'm about 5'11" and it comes to about right above my butt. So I'm gonna go ahead and go off screen and get cute for y'all. So this is what we're working with. I went ahead and plucked it. Just a moment of silence, you know. What lace? Like, look at the baby hairs snatched. So the parting speaks for itself. I gave that a 5 out of 5. In terms of the big head friendliness, as y'all can see, my big head is in the screen, and I would give the big head friendliness a 5 out of 5. I even had to kind of adjust the straps to make it a little bit smaller, and y'all know I got a big head, so that's saying a lot. This unit is extremely full. I think a little on the fuller side, but I would still give it a 5 out of 5. I went ahead and plucked it and kind of put some layers and cut some hair away, so I think that kind of helped it not feel as heavy on my head. In terms of luster, this is a very natural red, so I will also give that a 5 out of 5. In terms of shedding and tangling, I guess we're gonna call it shangling, I would say that is a 4 out of 5 for shedding and for tangling. The shedding wasn't terrible, the tangling wasn't terrible, but it does shed a little bit and it does tangle a little bit after you've worn it for a long time. Y'all saw how long it was, so it makes sense, but it's really easy to comb through the tangle, and the shedding is not unbearable. I've had worse shedding on some human hair units. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you are interested in buying this wig, you know, I'm turning up in the background, I would recommend it because it made me feel like a bad bitch, and it's gonna make you feel like a bad bitch too, period. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I will see you guys on my next video.